All right, so still talking about retirements and living off your retirement. Perpetuity is when you've set up your retirement, so you've accumulated this large sum of money when you're working, and then when you retire, you live off of that, but instead of pulling off the principal, like the original amount invested, you only pull off the interest, which means you never touch the amount that's in there. You live solely on the interest. All right, so that means you'll never run out of money, so to speak, and you'll leave money, for inheritance or whatever. All right, so you're living off the interest alone. All right, so again, you'll never run out of money in this case if you set up your retirement. All right, how this is figured out is you take your APR divided by 12, since this is a monthly interest rate, and multiply it by your nest egg, because this is the percent that you get every month. All right, so your nest egg times your APR. So suppose that I've worked and I have saved up $1 million. All right, I'm guaranteed an annual percentage rate of 9. So however I've set up wherever I've set them up, my 401k or whatever it is, I've been guaranteed a return of 9% compounded monthly on my money. All right, how much can I withdraw each month without reducing my principal, without reducing the $1 million? So I'm always going to pull off money, but I'm going to keep $1 million in there all the time. Right? Every month I'm going to have the same amount of money in there because I'm only pulling off the interest. I'm going to keep my $1 million. All right, well, how much can I pull out? Well, I take my APR, which is 9%, divide by 12, right? This would be my monthly percent on my $1 million. Make sure I have all my zeros there. Which means I can pull off, if I have $1 million saved, I can take out $7,500 to live off of, and I don't touch my $1 million. Alright? So $1 million is all, I always have $1 million in my account. So if I take out any more than that, I'll have less than $1 million. If I take out less than that, I'll have more than $1 million in there. Alright, but I won't touch the $1 million if we do it this way. Alright, set up the next example. Upon retirement, I'd like to withdraw $6,000 per month for the next 25 years. I'm just beginning my working career. I plan to work for 30 years and invest monthly. Alright, to create my nest egg. I'm actually going to stop there and do this in my next one since it's going to take some time.